Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to redeem Kindle points on Amazon. To redeem Kindle points on Amazon, first of all open up a web browser and then type in amazon.com in the URL box. Once you get to the official homepage for amazon.com, make sure that you're signed into your account, and after signing in, go to the search box at the top and type in Kindle Store or Kindle Books. Now that you've ended up in this Kindle Store or Kindle Book page, go ahead and select a Kindle book that you want to purchase. Once you found the book that you want to read or purchase, go ahead and open it up and then make sure that you choose the Kindle edition for the book. Now, click on the Buy Now button at the bottom and proceed to check out. When it asks you to enter your payment method, you can go ahead and enter your debit or credit card information or use your gift card or your Kindle points to purchase the particular item. Go ahead and scroll through at the bottom of the screen and then look for the section where it says Add a gift card or promotion code. Enter the code in the text box and tap on the Apply button in order to apply your Kindle points on Amazon. Follow through the instructions and enter your rest of the information to place your order. Your Amazon point will be applied to the total cost of your Kindle book purchase. So that is how you will be able to redeem your Kindle points on Amazon website. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.